I'm excited about this one, guys. For August, our giveaway is Instagram subscribers only. So check that out, guys. It's only $2.99 to support me and also win this awesome Proma exhaust. This exhaust was given to us by our sponsor, Moped Division. If you guys are looking for some parts to tune up your bikes, definitely give them a check out. Even look down in my description below because you guys can save money. So with that being said, guys, all you have to do is subscribe to my Instagram for your chance to win this Proma exhaust for a Puch E50 motor. And guys, this is a global giveaway, and the more subscribers we have, the better giveaways we could do. So with that, guys, good luck with the giveaway, and whoever wins this Proma exhaust, I'm gonna be jealous because I've never even had one of these myself.